Okay, bro, you're welcome to another episode where we are going to look at the market. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you for following. As of today's video, we are going to talk about market structure. We shall talk about what market structure is, and we shall talk about what falls under market structure. As we see here, market structure is just a way how the price moves in the market. It can move in an uptrend way or a downtrend way or in a choppy way. So when we talk of market structure, here we shall be seeing two things, where we shall be seeing either a trend market or a choppy one, or a ranging market. So under trending market, we shall be seeing an uptrend and then a downtrend. Then we shall have ranging market, some call it choppy market. So here, break of structure, we shall have a break of structure and then a change of character. Still, we shall talk about it. So when we talk of uptrend, here the market, we expect the market to be giving us series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows continuously until you get a change in structure. So this is what I'm meaning. As you're seeing it here, the market was going up. This is the higher high. It gave us this low down, which is called a higher low. Then it came up, created another high called a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, and then it created the last higher high. So whenever the market breaks the last high, the previous high, that high, we call it a higher high. And then once the high is broken, we call that a break of structure. Now like here, the market was going up, this higher high, higher low, higher high. So this break here, this break we are seeing here is what we are calling a break of structure. So whenever the market breaks the previous high, it creates break of structure. Or whenever it creates the previous low like this, we call this a break of structure. So in simple terms, this is, let me delete this, sorry. This is what we have as an uptrend market here. This one inside here. So in an uptrend market, we shall expect market creating higher highs and then higher lows. So if you look at the downtrend here, the market will be creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. It is just the opposite of uptrend. Now like here, the market came, created lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs and then lower lows. So if you bring it here, you're going to find that lows have been broken, creating break of structures. So whenever the market is creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, that is a downtrend. I think you can get it. So there's another scenario here where we shall be getting a change in structure. The market is creating higher highs like here, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And remember, when the market is creating higher highs, higher lows, it is in an uptrend. So it creates higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then higher lows, higher highs. So we have seen that there is this this higher low that has been broken. It came up, it went down, came up, went down, came up, and then it went down. So this low, this last low, after it being broken, is what we are calling a change of structure. It means the market has changed structure. When this low has been broken, we got a change of character. And when this market gave us a change of character here, it started giving us a series of lower lows, lower highs, and break of structures to the downside. So once the law of the previous market is broken by a candle, we expect a change in structure. If it is in an uptrend and the law is broken, we expect a downtrend. So this is where we shall see. This is where we shall see a market changing. Like if it has been up, going up like this, the way you're seeing, creating highs and lows, and it breaks the last low, the market will have changed to a downtrend. That's why I've said uptrend becomes downtrend. And then if you look at this downtrend becomes uptrend, it means the market has been coming down, the way you're seeing, like this, and then it created a break here, the way you're seeing. So once this last high has been broken, the market started giving us a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, meaning it has started giving us uptrend market. So there is also where you're going to find that we have a ranging or choppy market. It means here the market will be trending between the support zones, support, and it will be trading between the resistance and support levels. It will not be breaking them. It is until it breaks them that we shall see series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. Or when it breaks up, that's when we shall start seeing series of higher highs and higher lows, meaning the market is in an uptrend. So I think that is simple. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, the market is in an uptrend. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, the market is in a downtrend. So when the last low is broken, we get change of character and the market changes direction. If it has been going up, it starts going down, meaning we are in a downtrend. If it has been going up, down, and then the last high is broken and it starts giving us series of lower highs, lower lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, it means we have changed the structure to an uptrend. And then once you find the market not breaking the support levels and the resistance levels, it means that market is choppy or it is ranging. Let me give you an example on a live chart. Now, like here, the market was coming from up like this. It gave us this last low. It came up and it broke this high, creating us this change of character. So here it started going up, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, like the way you're seeing here. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is where we got a change of character because the law is broken. And remember when we said once the last law is broken, the market will still change structure. Let's see what it did. So after this break of structure, the market came up, it created lower lows. Here some arranged a bit, lower lows, and lower lows, meaning the market went down after giving us a change of character. This is the change of character. So that's it, guys. Don't forget, when the market is giving us higher highs, higher lows, the market is in an uptrend, and when it is giving us lower highs, lower lows, the market is in a downtrend. Thank you guys for following me. I think I've made it clear and simple. I wish you well.